Taking a daily probiotic is a non-negotiable for me. I find that I can't live without my daily probiotic. So I was thrilled when Naturenetics sent me their probiotics, as this is an incredible company. They're a US-based company out of Las Vegas, and all of their products are exceptionally well made, third-party tested in a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in the US. Let me show you. So these capsules pack a lot. They don't have anything in them you don't want. They're fully third-party tested, and they have 5 strains in them, which you can see right here, how much you get of each. And these are very clean. There's very little in them beyond the supplement itself. And they are well loved for good reason. They've been seen in a lot of magazines. And like I already showed you, it's a very clean product. Let's open it up. Here's how it comes. Each packet has the expiration date on it. They're very easy to pop open. And here's the capsule. It's medium size, and you get 60 of them. Naturenetics, fantastic product. I am so thrilled I got this.